One thing that I love about heat printing is that it is so easy to teach and execute. Another thing that I love is that it allows you to create some pretty cool customized products. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to elevate your packaging by applying custom logos. What's up everyone, Kelly Walters here, and today I'm going to show you how to customize a box and a sack. Now, we are decorating really for the holidays, so I'm going to show you really how to make something come alive for Christmas. Now, of course, this idea could really happen for any holiday, any experience, but the really cool thing is just how easy and simple it is to use a transfer you probably are already using. So let's go ahead and break down this project. So today's product that we're using is called UltraColor Max, a direct-to-film transfer. Now we will be using two different types of designs. I've got a pretty fun one here, and we're going to be applying it onto a sack. So it makes gifting easy, and don't forget, you can easily customize with names because when you order UltraColor Max, it's just a one-piece requirement. We're also going to decorate on a box. That way you have two different types of packaging options to either provide for your customers or to go ahead and make that an add-on with whatever products you already offer. Now, when it comes to applying with UltraColor Max on a variety of materials, we've done a couple of other videos where we've decorated on a cardboard box for shipping purposes, and our settings were a little different, but we are going to use the same settings on both of these projects today. You will need your heat press, so let's go ahead and get set up. All right, now that we are at our press, this is something that is extremely easy to do. There's no really rhyme or reason to it in terms of platens needed. You just need to make sure that your surface area is wide enough to hold whatever it is you are decorating on. So I'm just going to keep my tag-along platen in here because I know that my bag will fit just fine on there. Up next, I am going to take my transfer and I'm just going to lay it in the middle of the bag. Now, this could be something where you do a name down the side or a name on the other side of the bag. You can really personalize and deck this out with current logos that you have on hand, or like I said, offer that personalization. Now, this is going to be a hot peel. So for our UltraColor Max direct-to-film, we're going to hot peel whenever the heating element releases. Now, I always like to just double check and make sure that the transfer has released before we start peeling, just to make sure if you need to go and hit it again, you can. Now, like I said, guys, this was super easy to do, and now our bag is complete. Now, next is going to be our cardboard box. Same thing, you just put it on your platen, take your transfer and just align it to where you need it to be. Now, because this is a larger transfer, I want to make sure that I get this in the center as best as possible because I'm going to have my ornament almost at the end, and then same thing for the bow right here. Same application instructions, so we're not changing anything. And if I was going from a garment to a box, the beautiful thing is I don't have to change anything on my heating element. Now remember, when your heating element releases, you want to just kind of peel the carrier carefully just to make sure everything was heat applied correctly. Beautiful. So the next question you may have is, Kelly, I need some ideas to offer on my sites that are gifting, that are easy, that somebody could actually want these bags for. So don't worry, I've got a couple of ideas. Now, one idea that we've already decorated using UltraColor Max is a t-shirt with personalization. As you can see right here on the left chest, it does say Williams Kitchen Crew. So what a fun way if you are baking cookies or if you just really want the ability to personalize. Start with something on the left chest that is small, and then you can do something fun like mixed media on the back. Here we've got UltraColor Max paired with glitter flake and metallic to really help bring the Christmas tree and the ornaments to life. Now, when you fold this and you want to put it in, oh, that was my mic, in either the box or the sack. You can do either one. So what's great is you could add some tissue paper, some ribbon, and really make this beautiful for somebody that doesn't like to gift wrap. And then of course you have that customization on top of the box. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't have to wrap this. This is done and ready to go. So something so simple gives that elevated look to personalization and then creates that experience for a customer. And next option, which is super easy and I love, is our flexstyle with a pressure sensitive backing. All right, so here we've got our Santa. Like I said, it's just a peel and stick, very easy to do. So we could go down here at the corner. I'm gonna go in the center just to keep it nice and simple. And then we're gonna make sure that we press, get any air bubbles out, and then we will simply just remove that carrier. Now, because of the pressure sensitive emblem, I strongly encourage you doing what I like to call a set it and forget it. Let that adhesive really sit on that hard good for 24 hours, making sure that it really cures onto that product. But now we have a fun, non-personalized item, but it's something that can easily be added to any gift experience. Now, you could do a mix and match where you have several different designs, pick your color, and do a custom element that way. Or, of course, you can just have it ready to go. This is what it is. All right, let's open that box back up and add our flask. Close it and add it into our sack. So now I have shown you a couple of different items to add for customization and of course, giving you that beautiful custom bag decoration. Now this is a very fun and easy project to do and of course items to add to any store. So if you have something like an Etsy store and you're already selling custom products, go ahead and make it an option for gifting. Now, you never know, this could take on and you could branch out into an entirely new market of creating gifting experiences. I'm Kelly Walters, we'll see you next time and happy decorating.